Hello beautiful people, I hope you are all fine. So in this video we will learn that how we can resolve this course error, because most of the time we are struggling with this course error. You can see on the screen that this always sometimes disturb us. So we will see that how we can resolve this. So let's get started. Okay, so I just show you that what exactly we have. We have this simple server, and it's not have anything giant. So we have this simple API endpoint in our Node.js server, and we are just getting users from JSON placeholder, and we are sending to our this front end application here. And when we are calling this endpoint, and we are getting this course error, if we will refresh it, so we are not getting uh, uh, any data. And if we will go in our network tag, so we can see that course error. So first of all, we have to understand that what exactly course errors are. uh, we will go here. Okay, for example, if we have server, and this server is created for a special for a backend, for the front end, any of the application. For example, if we have the ABC application, the front end part. For example, our this application is abc.com, and this application try to access this our server. So we have to allow our this application, so this can access to the server. So let's demonstrate. So when this application will hit on the server, and it must respond this application, and this server is created for this application. Okay, for example, if somebody have our API docs and all the API list, for example this XYZ, let's make it green. Okay, and for example, if somebody will come with this application and he is trying to access from this application, so of course we should not allow someone that who can access our server or use our server. Maybe they have validation keys and everything, but after all, this is illegal, that we should not allow this unknown website or this unknown website to access our server. So what we do this, so we have to add some kind of entry in our server that just allow this URL. If any request is coming from this URL, okay, allow it, otherwise we will not allow anyone. So whenever uh, this application will try to, sorry, use this, if this application will try to hit this server, it will give it a course error, and it will be red here. And same like this, if this application will try to access, it will give us a course error because their entries are not uh, entered in our server, and we are not accessing. So this is such kind of a security part that we handle. For example, one more thing, that for example we create a mobile application later on, and then we can access, we can give this access to our this mobile application. So we have two domains that we are giving the access, and other all domains are prohibited uh, to access our server. So in our case, if we will see that here, so in our case there is no entry involved here. So what we have to do, we will install a course, npm I course. Okay, it is installed. We will bring it in commons course. require CORS, and we will use it in our middleware app.use write CORS, and we will pass some arguments here. Origin. Okay, we can add single origin or we can add multiple origin. For example, if we are in the development mode and we want to allow we can allow every origin, so we can add a start. So if we will add this, so our application will be accessible to everyone. But when our application in the development mode, we can give this access. But later on, we have to avoid access from other servers. So let's add our this URL, because this domain we need to add. Okay, and let's save it. Need to restart the application, npm run dev, and now if we will refresh. Okay, so now you can see that we got 200, and our this application is allowed to get this server. Now we have these users name. So this is how you can avoid the. I hope you like the video, and if you really did, then you can consider to subscribe this channel and you can like the video. Thank you so much.